Hello, friends. Welcome back to Knowledge World. Here we are going to cover next topic. As usual, we have been trying to help out regarding to the ban sales topics, like we have covered on LinkedIn jobs, LinkedIn email extraction, LinkedIn hotline sharing, LinkedIn groups, LinkedIn prime vendors, and LinkedIn particular company email ID extraction. So now we are going to learn something about the open to work. Open to work is something like which is very trendy nowadays on the LinkedIn. How it is going to be helpful, how we can go to the go reach to the point. I don't take too much time in my video. I try to make my videos more helpful and more fruitful in short time. So I think I have been doing that because I'm getting regular focus from the audience. So let's move to the next main point where we need to go for this. Just go to the LinkedIn. Here we will search open to work, hashtag open to work, and then we can see the profiles where it is something mentioned. We'll click on the post, so we'll get the profiles which are open to work. So it can be helpful in any manner. How you can use it depends on you. Sometimes if you are in recruitment, so you need that. If you are in band sales, you're looking for the good recruiters or band sales people who are looking for open to work and all. So you can go on that. They may be looking for the job for themselves. Here we will be clicking on the date. We can take people from 1 month, the people who have updated in last 1 month, and then we can sort by top match, all filters, latest. If we want to take any particular company which we know, like it is our target company, so we can take that. However, you may get zero many times. But still, like let's put anything. Uh, Tech inspirations trying to take. You can take any another like ACS. This is just an example I'm taking randomly, and I'm trying to find out people if in ACS someone is trying to search. There is no one in ACS, so we can have any company because maybe people are not searching or people are searching anything. It can be. So let's take any another like this company. There is no one in that too. So hope you got what I'm trying to say. You can put any company which is your target, and on regular basis you can check if the person from that company is looking for job and they have tagged like this. Other than that, like you can see the profiles here visible in front of you. So there are many options in the all filters. If you will play around this, so obviously you will get so many things like posted by someone in first connection. In my first connection, if someone has done so, obviously it would show here. Like this person has shared this. Minakshi Sandal is looking, and another one. He has tagged open to work as well, so that's why their profile are coming. Is coming like within like this profile is in open to work. This profile is in open to work. So they are somewhere they are tagging or they are looking for themselves, so they are coming in this search. So I hope this is going to helpful for open to work, and it may be somewhere like too easy to maintain the data of particular company or something you want to follow for the same. So thanks for watching. Try to comment and subscribe, and please like the video as well. And I hope like I'm trying to do something positive for you in short time. I'm not taking a lot. So thank you again. Thanks for watching the video.